In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a refund on Wise in the easiest way possible. Whether you're new to using the Wise platform or you've encountered a hiccup with a transfer, it's important to know what steps you can take to smooth things out and get your money back. To start, you'll want to log into your Wise account. Now don't worry if you're not incredibly tech savvy. This step is as simple as entering your email and password. Once you're in, make sure you're on your dashboard where you'll see an overview of your transactions. Next, head over to the activity section. Here you'll find all your recent transfers neatly listed. Take your time to locate the specific transfer in question. If you're managing a lot of transfers, using the search function here can be a real lifesaver. Now here's an important detail. If the transfer you're concerned about hasn't been completed yet, you're in luck. In such cases, Wise automatically processes a refund, so you don't need to take any further action. It's comforting to know that unfinished business in Wise's world is usually taken care of all on its own. However, if the money has already been sent and the transaction is marked as complete, things require a bit more involvement. First, it's always a good idea to reach out to the recipient or merchant directly. Having a conversation to explain your situation, whether you paid for items you never received or there's any other kind of misunderstanding, is often the most straightforward solution. Most recipients are reasonable and willing to work things out. If your direct approach doesn't yield results, don't worry. At this point, it's time to contact Wise Support directly. They are equipped to help in cases like this, so explain your situation and the recipient's refusal. Wise Support can assist you with filing a dispute or initiating a chargeback, which essentially calls back the funds from the other party. Lastly, once everything is settled and your refund is confirmed, it's good to know when to expect it in your account. Depending on your payment method, this can take between 3 to 10 days to appear. Keep checking your account and don't hesitate to follow up if it seems to be taking too long. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to getting a refund on Wise with minimal hassle. Remember, knowing these steps beforehand can save you both time and stress if you ever run into an issue on the platform. Thanks for watching, and we hope this was helpful.